to Appliance Masters Facebook Live. Please remember that you can always go to APPLIANCEMASTER.com to get a hold of us or ask any questions that we don't answer today. You can also schedule a service call online 24/7. And also, what else can you do online? I'm Bill, and this with me today is John.
There you go.
And today's topic is, can this appliance be saved? And we felt it was appropriate to sit in front of a 1951 refrigerator, which is 72 years old. And yes, a lot of quality appliances can be saved.
Yeah, I mean, I think there's a lot of older appliances are way better made than anything that's coming out now. So most of the time, a lot of parts are still available, but it's really going to be up to speaking with the technician to see whether or not it makes financial sense to fix those old ones or purchase new.
And I was going to say, even if you are going to purchase new, you can always ask one of our technicians what they might recommend, something that has a chance of lasting 20 years or more, something that might, even this one behind us we've known this family that owned this refrigerator since they were married, in 1951, and this had one service call on it, and it was a fairly minor service call. So far, and still going strong. And so, what we were talking about today is John had a customer who had a problem with a Coke machine, and I'm not sure what year this is, but I'm sure it's not new.
Yeah, he said it was late 50s, early 60s. He's had it serviced by another company for a while, and the guy recently retired, so he asked if we could fix it. So we dove in.
What was the problem that you're having?
Yeah, so the unit had a blockage in the sealed system, so there was basically a refrigerant problem with it. So we cut out the old filter dryer in the system. We blew nitrogen through the system to clear the blockage out, put a new filter dryer in it, and recharge the system, and now it's working perfectly fine.
And I guess a close-up of those refrigeration parts. A lot of these things are universal. I mean, you can get if you have the right specs, you can get replacement compressors, coils, and of course filter dryers are fairly universal. Refrigerants there's even new drop-in refrigerants that replace old refrigerants. So those things are available. And
I think it's really cool to bring something, 60, 70, 80 years old back to life and keep it running.
So I got a shot, right?
Yeah.
There's still parts available for me?
Bionic, maybe, perhaps.
Cool. Anyway, if you'd like to know more about this Coke machine or about this refrigerator behind us, you can always call us at 800-752-7123. And thanks, John, for joining us today.
No problem, anytime.